traders, this is Raul with post-market analysis for trading session Wednesday, September 6th. So as I mentioned in my pre-market analysis, I was closely watching what happens here at the frequency line. So I tried to break it. We had one failed test of the pink one failed test of the light green one, and here a V-shape fail. Reaction back into this bearish frequency, and one very aggressive but very compelling opportunity was taking the trade here on one tick below the frequency and taking it down to the other frequency. So I didn't take this trade as I had these horizontal areas on my chart, so I don't really trade the horizontal areas, but I try to avoid extended targets when having these horizontal areas. So I expected some reaction here. We got this reaction here, so buyers pushed up the price and we got the fail here again. So this is a kind of an pattern invalidation. So we expected price to reach again the outer frequency line and trying to break it, but it even didn't reach the frequency line. So we had this kind of a V pattern here and a fail. So the best opportunity here to take the trade was on the retest of the frequency line here, one tick before, and then expecting it to break down to the frequency line here, as we failed to stay above here, and we need to go at least to here or to this bullish green frequency line. Then price pushed down into the area and pulled back. Next good opportunity was you could have taken it here, one tick before the mid-band, or expecting a deeper pullback and taking it on the retest of the frequency line here, taking it down to the outer band, which is at the same time here than the frequency lines. After that, price pulled back again, retested the pink frequency line and started swinging between these frequencies, these frequency lines. So this is something we can see very often, these kind of swingings, and then we are in kind of a channeling market, and we need to wait. Either we can trade this as a channeling market, or we wait until we see a break back into another frequency. So I can show you my trades. So the first trade I mentioned, I didn't take it as I didn't want to trade into this area, as I don't really have a target. We don't know if price is going slightly into the area, deeper into the area. So I waited to get a structured market, which started here to print a bullish frequency, and then we get this try to reach again the outer frequency line, this fail I mentioned, and then the best opportunity to take it here on the retrace. I jumped in here because sometimes we don't get these kind of retrace, so I'm trying to get it as early as possible with a very small stop. So if price would have popped back here, I would immediately gone out of the trade. So then I held the trade with an expectation going down to the frequency line. Then price pulled back and I got in here again, doubled my position, as I mentioned, on a deeper pullback here and a retest of this frequency line and taking it down. When price started to stop at this edge, I prefer to take my profit, as I was up 4 points and again 2 points. So this is, sometimes it happens. I try to work on my expectations. So I told from here, I told you that I was expecting price to reach this frequency line. So, and here I'm jumping out, might be too early. So I prefer to take the 6 point and not risking price to pop back and not giving this this target. Well, I hope this was helpful for you if you're interested in frequency trading. I will be back tomorrow with a pre-market analysis and hopefully a post-market analysis. Have a good day.